Welcome to Digital Answer Base YouTube channel. In this video today, we'll be looking at how to mark your emails as unread. First of all, what you need to do is on the left-hand side, you need to click on More, go to All Mails. And what you do once you're in this particular All Mails, this will take every single thing in your inbox that you have. And what you need to do is in the search box is you put is colon read. Okay, and you click that. So what you're going to get is all the emails that you've already read. And then what you need to do is you need to select them all. You can do that by selecting this little box, tick this box. If you got over 50, you'll be popped up with a little pop-up here where you can then select the most recent. So click on most recent. And then what you do is you click on the three little dots on this side. And then what you do is where it says mark as unread. Okay, so you click on that. So then what happens is everything is turned into unread. And this is how you select your inbox or all your emails that are read and to make them unread. Thank you very much for watching. If you like this video today, just please like the video and also subscribe to the channel. If you got any questions, leave them in the comment section and I'll see you in the next video.